Welcome to the OffGrid AI Image Studio demonstration. So if you get the OffGrid AI Command Center over here on the left nav menu, you're going to see a button that says Image Studio. You can also create an image, look at other videos from after producing an article or whatever, you can create a corresponding image, but you can just come in and just create an image. So you can start with what type of visual that you need. They're mainly, we're mainly like off-grid topics, so it could be a homestead guide, wilderness, field research, education material, survival diagram, right? But the best place to start is just right here at the very top. There's some sort of ready-made create instantly one. So let's just go with the chicken coop blueprint. We're going to click that. What we want is a multi-angle technical illustration with the materials list for a chicken coop. Okay, so we're going to generate the image. Prompt's already crafted. Um, we can edit this prompt, by the way, or we can try it again if we didn't like how it came out. And then we also have you can write your own prompt, and then it doesn't provide any AI assistance. So it's always it's totally up to you. I like using the AI assistance because what it's going to do is it's going to make it very detailed. It's going to craft the prompt correctly, where the image studio is going to create a very useful diagram like what we have right here. So this came out really good. So we have the multi angles, we got a material list. Let's go ahead. We can download this image or we can send it to chat. I'm going to go ahead and just click download. There we go. It's saved as a ping. We can access that at any time now. We can send it, share it, save it. But let's send it to chat. Here's what's great. When we send this to chat, it's going to take our chicken coop that we're getting ready to build on our off-grid property. And then now it's going to give us the full list of what we need. This is the lumber we want to get. This is the wire mesh we want to get. We want to get galvanized screws. We want to get hinges and lash. There's nothing worse than you're doing a project and you can't, I don't know if you guys have ever done this, but in the middle of a project, I'm running to Home Depot like 6, 7 times. I'm like, why did I get this last time? Well, now you can just go get everything in one run and you can create a little checkbox for yourself or whatever. Okay, so say if you want to try this out on your own, you can go here to imagestudio.offgridtoolkit.ai. You can go down here, try to believe it. If you go to this gallery right here, here's some other images that were built with the image studio. Common edible plants. These are just one prompt. Boom, the image came out. The 5 C's of wilderness survival, the top 15 essential overlander field repair. So all these different images were created with the OffGrid AI Image Studio. And then you can go down here. There's a quick video on how the command prompt works. And then you can just click one of these and create your own. Alternatively, you can go to the website at offgridaitoolkit.com. You're going to scroll down to the different subscriptions. I mean, they're not subscriptions, excuse me. The different tiers, 0 subscriptions, by the way. So when you purchase our product, you get all the same AI, ChatGPT, Claude, everything, but it's only a one-time payment and you own it forever. So if you go down here, though, you can hit try Command Center or try Image Studio. So there's 2 different ways that you can access that and try it on your own.